All right, guys, we're going to talk about the Wedi tape today. Now, the Wedi tape is a really interesting product. It's 100% waterproof. It's like a fleece type product. The interesting part about it, though, is you don't necessarily have to have it on the Wedi boards. The Wedi boards are designed to put the sealant on, seal it up, go over it with some more sealant, and you're waterproof. I like to use the tape, though, as an extra precaution, one extra layer to make sure that I have no leaks and it lasts even longer. So I will take the tape and I will actually put it across all of these seams, and then I will go over the top of it with my sealant again. Now, when you're installing this, though, you're going to want to use your modified thin set. Put it on, let it dry, come back and put your Wedi sealant over the top. One other place I like to use this is on the sides of the shower, where the actual board meets the sheetrock. I will go ahead and use the same mortar and mortar it on, and I'll overlap my sheetrock. I'll overlap by about 2 inches into the sheetrock itself. Mortar it in. Then I'll come back and I'm going to put a thin coat of my sealant over the top of that. Then when it dries, I can come back and I can use mud and mud up to that point and then do my texture. But what this does is, in case any water gets past my doors, which are way back here, if anything gets past it and gets near that sheetrock, it gives it another layer of protection that water can't be wicked into the actual sheetrock and damage it. So it makes the system last that much longer. So if I was rating this on a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably give it an 8, and only an 8 because you don't necessarily have to have it. So if you want it to last a lot longer, go ahead and get yourself some of the sealing tape and make sure that you seal all of the joints, the front, and you can even use some of it at the bottom too as an extra layer down there as well.